How to recover Epic Games account. If you're trying to log into your EpicGames.com account, but you've forgotten your password for the account and you'd like to recover it, then here's how you can do it. Simply launch open a web browser and go to EpicGames.com website and then press enter. From the official webpage of Epic Games, soon after you end up on this page, click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner. Select sign in with Epic Games. Now, it'll ask you to enter your email address and password associated with your Epic Games account. If you don't remember your password, you can click on the forgot your password link and go ahead and enter the email address that is associated with your Epic Games account on the next page. Now, click on the Send Email button. You'll receive an email in the following email address that is associated with Epic Games. But first, you may have to go through this CAPTCHA for security check. Go ahead and complete it first. And you'll be sent an email to your email address with the instructions to reset your password. Go ahead and open up your email inbox. You'll receive an email from Epic Games. Click it open. And this will open up your email from Epic Games. Click on the Reset Password button and then on a new tab, you'll get to type in the new password you are trying to reset to. Enter the new password you would want to set for your Epic Games account in the first text box. After typing in a strong password, confirm your password by retyping it again and finally click on the Reset Password button. Now you've successfully reset your password. Click on the sign in button and type in the email address and the new password you reset to, and then click on the login now button in order to recover your Epic Games account if you've forgotten your credential while logging in. That is how you can easily recover your Epic Games account in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back with more of these videos like this. Thanks for watching.